in this video we're going to focus on how we can apply the zoom functionality. So by default, there is like a zoom where you can use the command or control depending on if you're Mac or on Windows, but for Mac it is command. You do minus, and what will happen if you click on this, then we can zoom out or we can zoom in. This is a nice shorthand. However, what we also can do is if you do command, and then we can zoom in with the scroll functionality and zoom out with the scroll functionality. However, this functionality is not activated by default, so we need to activate that. So in the Mac, what you have to do is here you go to code and then you select preferences and then settings, and if I'm not mistaken on Windows it is in the file and then preferences and then settings. So once you're on here, you can see here, and then what we need to do here is indicate zoom, and then we can check this or check mark this and show this here. So by default it is ticked off, so what you have to make sure that we tick this, and then it will work nicely. As you can see here, we have like this functionality that can be very useful.